Most of my paintings were inspired by two things, the pandemic and pagiging heartbroken. To the youth of Adamson University, to the incredible artists in this room, and to everyone who continues to support and uplift the arts. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Jerry Salvador. Most of my paintings were inspired by two things, the pandemic and pagiging heartbroken. Yes, madalas po nagpe-paint lang ako kapag malungkot ako kasi feeling ko, kailangan ko ilabas yung emosyon na yun. That it's bigger than myself and it needs to extend to a canvas. I wouldn't have discovered who I am as an artist today, but the beauty in it is we continue to change and evolve as well. If you check out my pieces in the exhibit, nandun po siya, yung iba nandun, and nakita ko yung isa nandun. I'm sure yung iba nandun pa sa gilid-gilid. You'll notice they aren't very big. Bukod sa mas mahal yung canvas na malaki, I'm simply nervous to take up that much space. But being surrounded by all of you here today, seeing your energy and passion has inspired me to dream bigger and create more. This is actually my very first exhibit, so thank you for having me here. I'm really glad to finally share these pieces with all of you. Sayang din kasi naalikabok na lang siya sa bahay namin. Every single artist here brings something different to the table. Just like our thumbprints, our art is entirely unique to who we are. No matter what medium you choose, how big or small your canvas is, remember this, there is room for everyone. So to the youth and the creators here today, my message is simple. Create. In whatever shape, way, or form feels true to you. Mapa-chalk, pintura, or kahit anumang obra, ipagpatuloy mo lang lumikha. Once again, I'm Jerry Salvador, and thank you so much for having me here, and congratulations to everyone.